Hi everyone, welcome back to another my version recipe. So today we're going to make spicy fish cake. First, you have to crush and mince around 5 cloves of garlic or 6 cloves of garlic. More garlic the better. For this video, I will mention 2 shops where you can buy your Korean products here in Tagudin, Ilocos. By the way guys, these 2 shops, sa kanila talaga ako bumibili ng Korean products. So once you're done with the garlic, sunod natin yung onion leeks. So first, you have to cut the white part. Cut them into slanting pieces. And so I used here 3 pieces of green or onion leeks. And then yung green part is just chop it. Yan. This is fish cake. So I purchased mine at Miss Pamela Zabala. She's actually my teacher in high school. So nagbebenta din siya ng mga Korean products. They make kimbap and nagbebenta din si ma'am ng mandu. So guys, if you have events, birthdays, ganyan, you can order kimbap from her and mandu. Masarap. Proven, masarap talaga siya. Also, they sell noodles, Korean products. Ayan yung mga items na binibenta nila. So, niya. Okay. I will link her Facebook account sa box. So, check it out, guys. Lalo na yung mga taga-Tagudin. If you want to purchase, again, yung mga Korean products ninyo na gusto nyo, bili kayo kay Miss Pamela. Okay, I purchased a 1 kilo of fish cake and it's worth 320 pesos. Free delivery. Si mom nagde-deliver. Ayan. So, okay. So, you have to cut. This is actually good for 10. You have to cut your fish cake. Depende sa size na gusto niyo. But for me, I like it this kind of size, around 10 centimeters. And mas kasi siya, para siyang tawag nun, para siyang takbogi ba na style, and it's easier kasi nag-expand din siya guys kapag naluto na or niluluto mo siya. This is kimchi. I bought it at Kimchi and Beyond. So, ito yung Facebook account nila. I will link their Facebook account sa description box. So, please check it out. They also have other products like from Baguio Products. And again, if you're looking for other Korean shops dito sa Tagudin, one star or one of the best option nyo is to check their Facebook account. They also make their kimchi. So, ayan. They have reviews as well. So, kung gusto nyo bumili sa shop nila, you can just check out their Facebook account. For this recipe, guys, usually you're going to use fresh cabbage and carrots. But since nakabila ko ng kimchi, this one pwede nyo gamitin, and it's a lot easier to use kaysa mag-chop ka pa ng cabbage. Ayan. Ito, mas okay with kimchi. Also, I added here is gochujang or Korean chili paste. Iba siya sa mga chili paste na from other countries. This one is a lot, hindi siya ganun ka-spicy, pero may hint siya ng sweetness. And alam mong fermented talaga siya. You can smell it, the aroma. Okay, for this recipe, I use 3 teaspoons of gochujang. Added in a little or 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. So, depende sa inyo kung gaano katamis, kung gaano kaanghang ang gusto niyo sa recipe na to. I also added in around a teaspoon of sesame oil and a teaspoon of soy sauce. And then you can add also your garlic. And then mix until yung paste is a little bit smooth yung consistency niya. Okay, so last step of preparation is to add hot water in your fish cake and then drain it to remove the grease. So we're done. Let's start cooking. So saute in hot oil your green onions, the white part only. And then when you start smelling the aroma, you can add your kimchi and then continuously stirring it. For this recipe, I'll show you a great replacement of a fish stock na ginagamit ng mga Korean. Usually, it's the bonito and then the kelp, yun yung ginagamit ng mga Koreans. But since we're here in the Philippines at nasa Ilocos tayo, we have this great sauce na ginagamit sa halos lahat ng sabaw na niluluto ng mga Pilipino, lalo ng mga Ilocano. So I added here 2 cups of water and around siguro a little bit, nag-add ako ng little bit more kasi i-absorb ng fish cake yung sabaw. So here it is, guys, ang ating replacement for the fish stock. Tinatawag natin itong bagoong isda. Ito yan. Nabibili yan sa palengke. This one is homemade. Meron naman nabibili sa grocery. Same sila ng taste ng Korean stock. Difference lang is yung color, of course. Same din sila ng amoy. Kaya ito yung magandang replacement kung wala kayong mabili ng fish stock na Korean. Ito ang best replacement. Hindi siya ganun na malalasahan sa recipe na to. Pero it gives you the same flavor nung Korean na version or Korean na sauce. So, I added here in na yung Korean chili paste mixture. And then, you have to stir it again until medyo magtikan lang before you add in your fish cake. So, nag-boil na yung mixture natin. I added in a little bit of salt. And now, I'm adding the fish cake. So, you have to coat every strand of the fish cake. So, mix nyo lang para ma-coat yung fish cakes natin. And then, nag-add pala ako ng konti pang brown sugar. Around 2 teaspoons. Kasi medyo maanghang yung timpla ko dun sa naunang mixture. So, I just add in 2 teaspoons of brown sugar para medyo mas malasami yung sweet talaga na lasa nung spicy fish cake natin. Kasi it's supposed to be sweet and spicy. So, bring it to boil until medyo mag-thicken or medyo ma-absorb na nung fish cake natin yung sauce. And then, I added in yung green part of our onion leeks. And basically, we're done. And we're going to plate it now. So, ito yung finished product natin, guys. Yummy! Yum, yum, yum. This is good for 10. Pero kung sobrang takaw mo, siguro para sa 5 tao lang. Ayan. Pero masarap talaga to, guys. Nakita nyo naman yung platito ko. Medyo madumi na kasi kumain na ako kanina. So, tinikman ko siya. Now, what I usually do is put some in my plate and then I add in gim or yung dried seaweed or laver na sinasabi nila. Sobrang sarap. Malalasan mo ang dagat. Pero masarap talaga siya, guys, sa fish cake. Ayan. This recipe, I shared it with my cousins and my aunt sa kabilang bahay and they loved it. Masarap to talaga. Guys, so ito yung finished product natin. Hope you like and enjoy this video. You can try this at home and share it with your family. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.